Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. We're so glad that you stopped by. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos coming up. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on another one of my Cook and Clean videos. As I mentioned last time in last month's Cook and Clean video, and I'll link that up above so that you can watch that one, my husband and I are expecting, and so we are trying to get our lives a little bit organized before the baby comes. So I'm going to be cooking the Pasta Fagioli soup, and I'm going to do a load of laundry, put away some laundry, and do the dishes while that is cooking. So here we go. So I went ahead and started the laundry only because I know it's gonna take a little while to do. So I figured while I am putting everything together, I could go ahead and start that. And then by the time I'm done with my food, I'll be able to put that load of laundry away. So I started with that, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the recipe. waited for the soup to come to a boil, I decided to go ahead and do the dishes. Once the soup came to a boil, I turned it down and then set a timer for 15 minutes, and then I came in and checked on it and stirred it up and then set it for an additional 15 minutes. Alright, so we still have about 15 minutes left for the food to be ready, and I finished all of my things that I would like to do. So I just went around the house and kind of picked up a few things, but I've decided, you know, this whole task was to do a cook and clean, and it wasn't meant to try to tackle everything that you need to do every single day. So I've just decided that instead of moving on and trying to do something else, that I was just gonna stick with the two things that I had said, which was the dishes, straighten up the kitchen, and then put away my laundry and do a new load. So since I got all that done and the amount of time that it took to clean or to cook the food, I decided now I'm just gonna hang out and wait for the food to be finished. So the soup is all finished and I just made my bowl. I'm really excited to try this. This soup is my absolute favorite Italian dish, so I'm really excited to try this. So we've got all of our cleaning done. I went ahead and did my laundry and everything, so I'm going to now prop my feet up because they're starting to swell, and I'm going to eat my dinner. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of videos, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you again next time. Bye.